pontoon boat's coming out of the water.
The front of the trailer doesn't have anything to stop the boat, so you'll have to kind of judge it, and then I'll slowly come back.
They want you to push the boat out.
Straight out.
With the trailer?
Yeah.
Straight out. Go, go,
Dan, you are a rock star.
Yeah. You want a sandwich now?
You want a drink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Manhattan.
Yeah, there you go. Help yourself, whatever you want in there. No, it's good. Just put the damn thing away.
Got a little bit of growth on it.
Need to be power wash? I was going to say, leave it.
That's what I say.
All right, let's tarp a boat.
Jeep's full of mice.
Yeah.
Yeah, take a look.
Stinks.
No, strike you as
The viewers have
Mouse
no
hearing.
idea how lucky they are that the smell doesn't go through the video.
all the insulation.
Well,
They're in the heating system.
that's bad.
Yeah,
That does not smell good.
I know. It's coming out of the dash and everything.
What's the thing to do about this, Ari?
Tear out the heating system, I guess, or sell the Jeep.
Can you mouse proof it?
No, can't mouse proof anything.
So then it's going to be a constant problem. That's rough.
Yeah. And it's warm now. Alright, tell me when to stop. I just want to be able to walk up there. Get ready for winter storage. They're not square.
They're angled for optimum placement.
All right, fine. I'll live with it.
Did you hear us talking about mouse? Come here. Do you smell the mouse? Ooh, I should have not even opened the door.
Because now she's into it.
No, 'cause now I have to smell it again.
Oh.
Where is it?
Let me scoop by you, Joe. To tell you the truth, I am not sure how
Come on, Dory.
to fix this problem. I have to remember how to do this because these have a positive ground. And I think I still hook it up this way. Positive to positive, negative to negative. I'm not sure. Because this is positive, but it's actually a ground wire. Yeah, it goes right here. So this is on 6 volt. Or this is on 12 volt. So how do we, I think you have to undo this. Was that your dog? What was that? Yeah, so now it stayed on 12 volt, or 6 volt. What was that noise? Was that a dog?
Both dogs.
Okay, they're over there?
Yep.
You
Oh,
told
yeah.
them to find the mice in the barn.
Yeah.
They're behind the holes here.
So we have another cart. That's gonna be one of our winter projects. As Benny gave us a metal cart. We're gonna mount this to a metal cart. Or I'm gonna put the metal bin on here. It's not like the plastic thing. And maybe that just ends up becoming something to drag behind a snowmobile.
For what? Oh, the sled.
Yeah.
Well, you ready to go inside and warm up?
Come on, Dory. Come. What are you guys doing? Huh? Where's the deer? Huh? Where's the deer? All right, guys. Have a safe drive.
Yep.
Glad you got an 8 point. See ya. Come on. Come on. Emmy, come. Okay. Come on, girl. What are you doing? Sit. What are you doing? You wanna go for a ride in the Ranger? You do? You wanna go for a ride in the Ranger? What? Do you wanna go for a ride? Okay. Alright. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Up. Up, up. Let me in. You gotta let me in too. I don't think you could drive this thing. Find the birdie. Oh, yeah. You're loving it. Some nice ground, huh? You find a birdie? Huh? Where's the birdie? Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Good girl. All right. We are on the far east edge of our ranch, and we discovered this. It's a fallen birch tree. Now, this is a levee. It holds back a pond on this side, and there's another levee on the other side of that pond, and there's another pond on the other side of that levee. That pond feeds into this pond, and this pond feeds under the old, this is an old railroad grade actually. So anyway, first thing we got to do is deal with this thing. Now, this was a living birch tree, and it has leaves, so I'm not sure why it fell. However, there's bark missing, which tells me that a beaver had something to do with this. I haven't gone down to check the other end of the stump, but it's at the right height that a beaver may have been involved. But we'll get down there in a few minutes. Let's get this trimmed up. I recently had a birthday, and my dear friend Benny, he gave me this monster. Yeah. Check that out. Oh, 12-inch blade. Not bad. Definitely sharp. I'm sure it comes dry. Yeah. Fully charged battery. Safety. Ready? See what it'll do. Alright, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Can it cut through that? I'm pretty impressed. That was pretty good. Let's go time lapse and I'll finish cleaning this up. Man, that's an impressive saw. Check that out. Kind of took my breath away. And 3 bars left on the battery. My goodness. It's ready to go. Do another. I didn't change batteries. I did a whole tree. 1 battery. I cleared the trail. And guess what else? I didn't need ear protection. That was kind of nice. It all comes down to this though. Rigid tools are all about the LSA, the Lifetime Service Agreement, which if you look closely includes batteries, and that's incredible. Nobody else does that I know of. Lifetime Service Agreement. Very impressive tool. Very impressive tool. So this is the other end of that tree. And it looks like it fell naturally. If you look a little closer though, you can see a beaver was in here gnawing away. Here's the wood chips. There's a whole pile of them here. So this was taken down by a beaver. And Yeah. I don't know how they do it. Just keep chewing, I guess. We'll leave this laying here for now. I might come get this for firewood, and I'll put my excavator up there, grab it, and cut this with a gas saw one day maybe. Go split some wood. It's a good fall activity. All right.